Hello everyone. In our last videos, we saw how to use the for loop for any functionality which is repeating, and we know how to repeat it for certain number of times. Now in this video, we will write some programs to move the vehicle in the given fashion. So this one is a staircase pattern and this one is a square wave pattern. We'll first work on staircase pattern. We see here that vehicle needs to move forward, take a left turn, move forward, take a right turn, move forward, take a left turn, move forward, take a right turn, move forward, take a left turn, move forward, take a right turn and stop. So if you see, what we are doing is forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, left turn, forward, right turn, forward, left turn, forward, right turn. We are repeating this action of forward, left turn, forward, right turn 3 times. So now we will make a program. We need to repeat the action for 3 times. So if I have I is equal to 0, condition should be I less than 3. So we have taken care of for loops conditions. Now what we are repeating? Forward, left turn, forward, right turn. So this one is actually a right turn. So we want to make it a left turn. For left turn, the left motor should go reverse. For left motor, reverse is clockwise, which means this should be high and this should be low. And right motor should go forward. For right motor forward, it should be clockwise. So this is high, this is low. So that is going to take a left turn. So we have done forward left turn and then forward right turn. So this is forward and this is right turn. This forward should be same amount. So I'm going to use 1 second. Here also I will use 1 second. 1 second forward, left turn, 1 second forward, right turn. And this thing we are repeating 3 times and then we are going to stop. So that is our program for moving the vehicle in a staircase pattern where we have to draw 3 stairs. Understood? So now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a square wave. Now let's see what is repeating here. Forward left turn, forward right turn, forward right turn, forward left turn, forward left turn, forward right turn, forward right turn, forward left turn to look into this fashion. So what is repeating? Repeating is forward left, forward right, forward right, forward left. Again forward left, forward right, forward right, forward left. So forward left turn, forward right turn, forward right turn, forward left turn. This action is repeating 2 times. So let's see, we have to repeat action 2 times. So the condition would be I less than 2 because our initial value of I is 0. Now forward left turn, perfect, forward right turn. First part is correct. And then again we want forward right turn. So forward right turn again and then again forward left turn we want. So that is this forward left turn. Let's confirm once again whether we are doing it correct. What we wanted was forward left turn. So this is forward, high low, this is left turn. Perfect. Because high low means left motor is going back. So it is left turn. Forward left turn is correct. Then forward low high right turn, which is correct. Now again we want forward right turn. Forward right turn, low high right turn. That's correct. And now last we want forward left turn. Forward high low left turn. And this one entire thing we want to repeat it 2 times. So I0, I less than 2. That is also correct. And after everything is finished, we want to stop the vehicle which is also correct. So that makes our program for moving the vehicle in square wave pattern.